And so the shortest length between 2 points will be called displacement, and the total length of traveling path will be called distance. Distance is a scalar quantity, so it will be always positive with time, you remember it. But displacement is a vector quantity, so it will be positive, negative, and zero with time. And here the body starts traveling through point A and reaches at point B, and so the traveling path, the total length of this traveling path, and will be called distance. But here the shortest length between 2 points will be called displacement. We will discuss from the important two figure here, and we will get the value of distance and displacement under two important figures, such as in this figure. Let us suppose that a body starts traveling through point A and it reaches at point D via A, B, C and D. And here the body starts traveling from point A and it reaches at point D via A, B, C, D. Just here clear, distance will be AB plus BC plus CD. Here distance will be AB, BC plus CD. But displacement will not be equal to as according to the definition of displacement, the shortest length between 2 points, and here A is the initial point and D is the final point, and so the shortest length between 2 points here, and hence the displacement will be equal to AD. The length of AD will represent the displacement of the body, and AB plus BC plus CD and will represent distance. In case of curved path, how can you get the value of distance? How can you get the value of displacement? So it is very typical. Let us suppose that a man thrown a ball, just add, and when a ball is thrown as according to this figure, then in this case we take a reference point. Let O is the reference point here, and we draw the two lines. One is x-axis and other is y-axis. And when two axes are considered in this case, then we discuss here two-dimensional motion, and that will be motion in a plane. Whenever a body is projected in air in any direction, then the path is followed by the body will be called trajectory path, and this type of motion is said to be projectile motion. And here body is thrown from point O and it reaches at point P at same level. Then in this case we will discuss here how can you get the value of distance and how can you get the value of displacement. Let us for example here, the distance will be equal to this, and here the length of this curve will represent distance. But the very typical when we are going to take the magnitude of displacement here. In this case, displacement is considered under the two axis because here motion is described in two dimension, and so displacement will be obtained under two axis. When we are going to x axis, then in this case the body takes displacement, that will be OP. The length of OP along x direction and will represents the term displacement along x axis. You remember it. X axis displacement will be equal to OP, the length of OP. But this displacement is considered along x axis only. But when we consider y axis, in this case displacement will be 0. Here displacement will be 0 because at which position it was thrown, at which plane it was thrown, the body reaches at the same plane. In this case, there is no any displacement is covered along y-axis here. So, when the body reaches at point P on x-axis, then in this case, only displacement is obtained along x-axis here, but there is no any displacement is observed along y-axis because body reaches at the same plane at which it was thrown. And so, my dear students, just you remember it. Displacement is the vector quantity, but distance is a scalar quantity, and so displacement may be positive, negative, or equal to 0 with time. But distance will be always positive with time. It cannot be negative. It cannot be negative with time. Just you remember, distance can never be negative. Hence, distance and displacement is cleared here, and so just you should try and again repeat and repeat to this syllabus. And any problems you will feel, then you can call me and discuss with this respective matter. Just okay. Thank you.